back then.
So we at 9 years old right now. You moving into middle school. Are you rapping? You getting more and more into it? Are you getting better?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your creative process like? Even let's go to 7th grade. Let's go to 12.
7th grade, that's why I had a lot of journals. A nigga used to write raps, you know what I'm saying? I used to write them hoes and then come to school and freestyle battle with niggas and shit like that. I mean, anybody that went to school with me back then, they can vouch for that. Like, a nigga was, I was with that shit. Like, I was freestyle king, you know?
Right.
Yeah, so, not 12th grade, 7th grade, I was just still making little demos, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah, shit like that, yep.
Okay, so,
That came in like 9th grade.
Okay, boom. So let's fast forward to high school, right? At this point, more and more people are starting to know you rap.
Yeah.
Are you starting to like distribute your music, burn CDs, stuff like that?
On the first day of school at ODY, me and my mom, we put together like probably like 30 CDs for me to go take to school to sell. And I still got the artwork, cover and shit like that. And we pressed that bitch up, and I went to school and I was hustling. I was selling them hoes, like no cap, $5. You know? Yeah, that's what a nigga was on, you know?
So, as far as logistically, because I've always been fascinated by this, and when I first heard it, I'm like, damn, I guess with enough hustle, you can independently rap. You know what I'm saying? Are you buying the 30-pack of CDs from
I was
Walmart?
Going to Walmart, Walgreens. It started out with 30, you know, then a 50-pack. But then it got serious where, shit, I was boosting up to like 100 to 200 CDs. And then that's when I said, fuck this, this is what I do.
Right.
So then I started going to a distributor. They had Banks, some lady named Siobhan, Banks, CDs, and Jazzy Lady. I was getting like by the 400s, by the 500s, and all the way up to like 2,000 CDs back then.
Okay, so let's do some hypotheticals, and I know it's been a minute, so we can do kind of roundabout figures. All right, so are you paying for studio time?
Was I paying for studio time? My mama took me to a real studio one time where we paid this man in Everman. We had paid this dude, and but other than that, the niggas next door, it wasn't no paying. It was just like them.
So we'll say no studio time. So the only initial investment you had to make was your time, and then of course the buying the CDs. So about how much was a let's say you do a 400 run at Jazzy Lady. How much would that run you?
What was I paying, like $250 or something like that? Yeah, for like clear with a clear insert, a clear insert in your artwork or something like that.
Okay.
I was paying like that, and it was kind of like selling weed, selling dope. You know, it was like I know I didn't want to sell drugs, but nigga had these CDs, and I got a mouthpiece, so I could be talking to niggas and standing outside the beauty supply stores, you know, all kinds of shit. I was really on that shit. Like now that you talking about it to me and shit like that, like damn, I was really, really on that shit. Like it was like for real.
No, for sure, bro. Like for sure. That grind, like I think a lot of independent artists, bro, they don't really understand like what that grind was like, especially because we in the digital age now to where streams.
Yeah, niggas lazy now, man.
Right,
you know.
Right. So let me ask you this. Okay, so you selling each for $5.
For $5.
For $5. Have you ever sold out?
You know what? I'm so friendly. I'm so nice, and I was so not even like friendly or nice, but more so I wanted niggas to hear me. So I get them hoes away.
Okay.
Like nigga, if you don't want to buy this hoe, give me $2. I was taking it. I just wanted niggas to have it. You know what I'm saying? Like nigga, go listen to that hoe. Listen to the first song. You know what I'm saying? Shit like that. Yeah.
Okay. So just give us a roundabout figure after you done with sales. About how much are you coming home with? I did the math mentally. If you would have got all 400 off for $5, what's that? 2 racks?
Yep, 2,000. I wasn't making that. I wasn't making that, no cap.
Right, but even
I was all about like really just trying to spread the shit out.
Right.
I would sell some. Don't get it twisted. I would sell some and then go re-up with some more and shit like that, and then flipping shoes and shit with the money.
Okay, that's raw, bro. So let me ask you this. Was there ever a time where you felt played because somebody didn't want to buy it or they didn't want it for free?
Hell no.
Yeah.
I was just out there hustling. It was like shit. They didn't have to know me, but a lot of people did already know about me or know of me and shit like that. So it was kind of easy. Like, you know, niggas actually supported then. You know, but shit, you know.
Right.
Yeah, here you go.
Okay, so let's talk about this, and I might have to put this question in because I had it wrote down.
Yeah.